Scorpion Kruger came to the assistance of Venus in a mud match last week, and they have since formed an unlikely alliance. Whether Scorpion's valor will score in points with the sexy diva remains to be seen, but Venus doesn't come cheaply.
Yes, indeed. Well, of course, after the interference by Scorpion in that mud match, they have teamed up, which is great to see. And of course, Blacksmith coming in on the side of Akilah. Hence, the other half of our mixed doubles matches.
Last week, Blacksmith rescued Akilah from certain defeat, confirming reports that there's something going on between them. The big question is, where's Tornado? Last week he lost his world title, and now it seems he's also lost his girl.
Tornado ka. Honne kena kabangale momotamekong o kana montwenye.
I wonder what Tornado has to say about Blacksmith teaming up with Akilah.
Well, yeah, that of course is something that remains to be seen when Tornado finds out that Blacksmith suddenly came to the rescue of Akilah, and now they're teamed up in this mixed doubles match. Well, one has only just got to be vaguely suspicious of something closer.
And it is an intergender match, intergender tag match.
Is this
only in the WWE?
Is this the politically correct way of saying mixed doubles, intergender? Oh, please.
That's what it is.
Call it like it is.
Kruger.
It is a mixed doubles match. Simple.
The Blacksmith. Clothesline.
Runs into a power slam.
Set up by Akilah with that low blow.
And once again, going for the right, a drop kick finds its mark. And Kruger goes down.
And still feeling the effects of that low blow.
Venus comes in. Blacksmith
Venus
warning
coming in.
her off.
Blacksmith going, no, you're not even the legal guy. Come on, the official.
The legal gal.
Well, the
knife edge shop. Blacksmith doesn't want to hit a lady.
Quite right. Scorpion saying, don't worry, you just leave this to me, honey.
Tiratila kamo Akilah adirilang low blow el kateng.
Yeah, it looks like he's leaving the beating to him. What a great reversal there from Scorpion.
And a back body drop.
Oh,
did you see the elevation on that?
Indeed I did. Now the Blacksmith knows that he is in a rumble. Oh, what is that? Is that Scorpion Kruger biting his ear? Yes, it is. Scorpion Kruger taking a piece out of the Blacksmith.
Like he hasn't had lunch yet.
on uang le Akilah karwa morok.
Well, beating the Blacksmith right down to the ground and now putting
all the way down to the canvas.
Intergender match. Jangan sesebakai lebana. Omot kasih caban omot sepatu omot hukutat. Sesengkap. Mana omot sangat clothesline. Omot sangat clothesline yang mata wala fafatse. Kita Blacksmith.
Akilah champ down. And Kruger is a former Div Action heavyweight champion.
Yes, indeed. And how's this? Venus all the way up to the top. Axe handle.
Double axe handle.
To that left arm. And now Venus taking it to the Blacksmith. Would you believe?
The lower abdomen.
But she doesn't have the strength. Oh, now that's how it's meant to be.
With authority.
And a slap. A big chop there from Akilah.
Yeah, well, that's it.
And Blacksmith inviting
doesn't
Akilah.
want to harm the girl. So Akilah with the helping hand.
Blacksmith more cunning. Low blow.
Well, there you
Right
go.
between
Low
the legs.
blow.
The girls
And that'll
find
have
the defense.
Blacksmith singing a few notes higher in the shower.
That's for sure.
Venus
Oh,
picked up. And look at this. She tried to go for the Venus flytrap.
unceremoniously dropped, and
It's
Blacksmith
too big.
not wanting to put
She's
the
not
boot in,
used to
making the
that
tag,
size
letting Akilah
of
come in and
opponents.
do the damage. She has no compunction to put the boot in. Blacksmith, always the gentleman.
Kibawa kampanye jalo.
Venus off the rope.
Bona kibawa.
Oh,
Pa
both
kana
the
ka
ladies.
matsogo mme ba wela fa fatshe ka bobedi.
These two know each other far too well. They're beginning to think like each other.
Chope nngwe gape.
And the crowd coming alive
Bona
behind Venus.
wheelbarrow move.
Oh,
Bona
there you go.
awetaka. Tudo.
Bulldog Venus down to the canvas.
Now the fistful of hair dragging Akilah across to the ropes. And shooting her back into the ring. Right on the back of the pit. Well, Akilah still feeling the after effects of that blow. And running across there straight into the head of Venus.
A boot
Bona DDT.
and planted face first
DDT mo se fatlhogong.
into the mat.
Right into the canvas.
And Venus now coming across the Scorpion. Exchanging a few words. Oh, maybe allowing Akilah a little bit too much time to recover. Indeed, allowing Akilah too much time to recover.
Omotsaka belly to belly overhead suplex.
Well, the crowd,
Bona Omotsaka pump
they
handle
want to see
suplex.
Venus's 011. That's the area code for Johannesburg.
They're calling for a 619. How do they know about that?
Well, it's 011. The area code.
Omotsaka low blow. Ga ke itse gore mo fositse kana mo kry le bona fela Omotsaka gape ka low blow. Series of low blows. Look on the black. Look on the Blacksmith. May Scorpion Kruger. Khajana ke monna. O tseneng. Me o barakana le tenya monna.
And Venus on the outside,
Falling
taking Akilah down
off the egg
in
and
the middle of
putting
the
in
ring.
boot.
You got Kruger knocking the Blacksmith down.
And now
look at that.
Venus
Just smashing her head
smashing
against the
Akilah's
ring
face
apron.
into that steel ring apron. The most unladylike action you could ever see. And now the guys trading blows toe to toe.
The cover.
No! Scorpion kicks out in the nick of time.
Bona fela tlhogo gape.
Akilah suddenly coming second to Venus,
Akilah go bontsha fa ka re utlwile botlhoko le tota.
writhing
She
in
doesn't know
agony.
where she is, though. In the middle of the ring, you got the Blacksmith. Sending
the
Kruger off the
Scorpion.
ropes.
Oh!
Collision in the middle of the ring.
Two Mack trucks and a head-on. Leaving both men in the center of the ring down and pretty close to out.
Go bontsha fa Akilah utlwile botlhoko.
The count now up to 4.
A ke ba o tlamelang pele mo banneng bao.
They're only coming alive now. And Venus screaming for the
Bata dira tag.
tag.
Who's gonna make a tag first? Ke ba ba dira tag ka bobedi. Bata bona o ita ka spear. Akilah o ita Venus ka spear.
A bit of payback now for that bushwhacking on the outside of the ring.
And Venus rolls out at 1.
And would you believe, now the boys are going
And now
at it
on the outside. We've got
Scorpion has caught
Blacksmith.
Blacksmith on the outside.
Bona drop kick ka Akilah. O mo ita ka drop kick.
have it. The 0-1-1 by Venus. The crowd are on their feet.
In the
meantime, on the outside,
the Blacksmith has run Scorpion into that hoarding round the outside and now smashes his face into the steel apron at the edge of the ring. Akilah down. Venus studying her stuff. Oh, but took her focus off Akilah to speak to the ring official. And that was enough for Akilah to take advantage.
And that's the match. And the team of Blacksmith and Akilah are successful.
Indeed. And can you believe it? A big hug from those two in the middle of the ring. I'm sure Tornado will have something to say about this.
And look at Kruger.
Kruger
with
carrying Venus
on
out.
the shoulder, carrying her back into the locker room area.
pinfall go fanya motshameko mme o sentse nako ele tota a sentse na bua le referee mme Akilah a dirisa tšhono eo ka jana ba fenye ba ntwa eo ke Akilah le the Blacksmith bana fela o mo tsaya monate ka AKO ka tsa tshwantsho se se erileng.
Tornado's on the ramp.
What are you doing in the ring with my goal?
With his goal.
I'll answer that one. Where the hell were you when she needed somebody to look after her? You were there. I had to get into that ring. I had to save her ass.
Good answer.
Are we gonna see another fight coming from this one?
Where was she? Well, where was he when she needed him?
I was busy training, getting myself in shape for some matches, guys. I haven't got time to wrestle with ladies at the moment. WWP title is more important than a mixed tag match. Look what you look like, a bloody mess.
With Tornado having lost his title at least last
week. Do your own thing. Good luck to you. You deserve that bloody mouth.
A good sense.
Well,
he's lost his sense of humor.
Got his focus
you
back.
see the end result?
The title means everything to that man.
That's
certainly more important than Akilah.
I think she wants to stick with the best, but she should stick with me. Sorry, I think you lost your partner.
Well, how's that? He just turned around. You gonna keep her?
Like an inanimate object.
He just dumped Akilah.